Ready to ditch that messy background and level up your team's meeting presence? Before you jump into your next meeting, look for the background filters option right below your video preview. It's usually represented by a little icon that looks like a person in front of a blurred background. Click on it. This opens up a panel with a bunch of cool preloaded backgrounds. Scroll through and click on any image to see a preview of how it looks with you. Want to get really creative? Hit the Add New button to upload your own image. This could be a company logo, a vacation photo, or anything that reflects your personality. Just select your image from your computer, and boom. It's now your background. Take a moment to adjust your positioning, if needed, to make sure you look great in your new virtual space. If you just want to blur your surroundings without a specific image, select the blur option. This is a great way to maintain privacy without completely hiding your environment. Experiment with different backgrounds to find the perfect fit for your meeting. A professional headshot works well for client calls, while a fun, themed background can lighten the mood for internal team meetings. Once you're happy with your background, simply click Join Now and you're all set. You'll enter the meeting with your awesome new background in place, ready to impress. Now you're a team's background pro. Go out there and make every meeting a visually engaging experience.